Hello, welcome back to Trigonometry, and in this video we're going to do some more worded questions. So in this question we have a 15-metre long ladder and it makes an angle of 40 degrees with the ground. We have to find how high up the wall it will reach. And as before with the previous questions, it's always good to draw a diagram so you understand the question better. So if we have the ladder leaning against this wall, we have to find this value, the height. And as it makes a triangle, we have a trigonometry question. In this triangle, we have the angle and the hypotenuse, and we want to find the opposite side. Therefore, we're going to use the sine function. So the sine of 40 degrees is equal to the height divided by 15. This means that the height is equal to the sine of 40 times by 15. Now if you go on your calculator, you'll find that the sine of 40 is equal to 0.643. So the height is 0.643 times 15, and that's equal to 9.64 metres. So the ladder is going to reach up the wall 9.64 metres. Now in the second question, we have a ship travelling on a bearing of 50 degrees and it travels for 120 kilometres. We have to find out how far north it has travelled. Now again, if we draw a diagram to understand the question better, we can see we have a triangle. But this time we need to find this side, which is directly north, and that's the adjacent side to the 50-degree angle. So this time we're going to use the cosine function. So the cosine of 50 degrees is going to be equal to the distance north divided by 120. So the distance travelled north is going to be equal to the cosine of 50 times by 120. Now if you use your calculator to get the cosine of 50, you should end up with 0.643. So the distance north travelled is going to be equal to 0.643 times by 120, which is equal to 77.16. So the distance the ship has travelled north is equal to 77.16 kilometres. So that's it for this video. More questions coming in the next video. Meanwhile, if you could hit the like and subscribe button if you're getting value out of these videos, that would be great. Thanks very much. Cheerio for now.